Today we're changing the extruder. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to do a real quick walkthrough showing you how to change the extruder in a BambuLab P1P. It's super easy, doesn't take long. Keep watching to follow along and hopefully it will help you guys out too. So I'm just going to take off this and unplug the cable. Next we need to disconnect these cables that are all in here. So I'm just going to take these out from spots. And they're kind of sitting behind this this plastic piece right here. So I'm trying to get the cords out from behind that without messing anything up. All right, and once those are done, I have one more I need to unattach, I think, or detach. Oh yeah, this one right here. This little square one. Okay, so once all three of those are taken out, we can remove the hot end. So what I need to do for that is unscrew a couple screws and then it should just come right out. I need to unscrew those two screws right there in the front and then that piece will just come right out. Okay, and then this should just slide down. All right, next I need to loosen the cutter lever. So it's this right here and it's the other Allen wrench. So I need to go find that one. All right, once that is loosened, it just kind of falls down like that. Okay, next I need to remove the PTFE tube from the top here. Okay. Just have to be a little more forceful with it than I wanted to be. You just push down on the black ring and pull out the tube. There's a little bit of wear on this thing. We'll keep running it for a little bit, but I'm probably gonna have to replace that soon. Last thing I have to do is remove these three screws. They're in the black little holes. And once I do that, since I've already connected this cable, then I should be able to just pull it out, put the new one in, and then reverse this process. All right, there's one, two. All right, now that it's out, I just need to get the other one opened up, slide it in that slot, and screw it all back in. Okay, so inside the box, it comes with some glue I probably will not use. It comes with some extra screws so that you can connect it just like those had. And then inside is the actual piece. All right, so this new piece, I will just put it back exactly like the other one was. All right, it's in place. So now I'm just gonna start screwing everything in. This is the easiest one to get to. Second one done, we got one more, and then we'll put the hot end back in and we are back in business. All right, next I need to plug this back into its spot, which is right here. The cutter lever back in its spot. And screw that screw back in. I didn't have to take that screw out completely, which is nice. It just kind of stays in there and then you can put it right back. All right, so that works. This back in as well. All right, perfect. And then now the hot end, which is gonna go in the same way it came out, just right under here. There we go. Now that's in there. Let's get these screws back in. We just gotta connect the wires and we are done. All right, put these back behind this little hider piece. And that one plugs in right there. Housing assembly, plug that in up here at the top, and then we are back in business. All right, you guys, that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and hopefully it was helpful to see me replace my extruder. As I find more issues or need to upgrade different parts of my printers, I'll make sure I make a video for those just to help you guys out, as I know a lot of you guys are getting P1Ps, X1 carbons, different things like that, and a lot of the parts are pretty interchangeable on those. So hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.